What is up, everyone? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. Apologies for the messy hair. I just woke up. So this particular vlog will be fun because we'll be doing a bunch of stuff. I'll be packing a few things that I'll be giving away to a couple of friends. And then we're actually going to go on a road trip. I plan on going to SLEX, drop by one of the outlet shops, mainly because I need to review a car. So I need to, talagang gulo ng buhok ko. I need to give my thoughts on a car that was lent to me. So if you're interested to see what I'm giving away, and then if you're interested to see what's in the outlet, and if you're curious to see what the car is and what my thoughts are about the car, keep on watching. Let's go. These two items are heading out to two of my best friends. One is for Colin Chan. So I'll be sending this over to him. It's a nice G-Shock that I bought recently. So inaantay ko lang grab, then I'll send this over to him. And then we have this really nice OnePlus fast charger that I am sending over to my other good friend. His name is Ison de Guzman. He mentioned in one of our calls that he needed a nice fast charger. This is one of the fastest fast chargers that you can get, so I'm sending this over to him. When it comes to the people you care about, guys, every now and then, it's okay to spend, it's okay to splurge, it's okay to bless. Kasi, alam mo yun, it's always nice to show your appreciation. So, Colin, Ison, this is headed to you. And before we prepare and head out for our road trip, let me just give a quick shout out to Hard to Find Manila. So they are an Instagram shop here in the Philippines. They look for hard to find pieces and they get it to you like this one. So this is the Jollibee on delivery bike Funko Pop, which is a Jollibee store exclusive. Nice sticker over there. Nagkaubusan to from what I've heard. So very happy that they sent this over. It's kind of timely also because we're doing like a road trip and we get to unbox like a Funko Pop that's all about, you know, going around. So I know some Funko Pop collectors don't like it when their Funko Pops are unboxed. But yeah, tingnan natin. Gusto ko makita ng close-up si Jollibee. So babam! Ayun, no? That's so cute! Even the bike is correct. Take a look at the detail. From the sticker, to the face, to the text, to the bike. This looks really nice. Good job, Funko Pop. Good job, Jollibee. And again, thank you to the awesome people of Hard to Find Manila for sending this over. Appreciate you guys. If you need any hype stuff or maybe, you know, Funko Pops, check them out. I'll link down below to their Instagram account. But just in case I forget, ayan na naman, nakasulat na. Tingnan nyo na lang. hardtofind.mnl. Oh, before I forget, keep on watching because we are announcing a new giveaway in today's vlog. We're actually going to give away a sneaker in your size. Watch till the end. Mechanics are there. And if you will try to game the mechanics, if you are somebody who will create multiple accounts, or if nanalo ka na before, or if you will lie to me, because some people have done that in the past when trying to claim prizes, you will be disqualified. Pero kung mabuti kang tao, and you will not try to cheat, and you will not try to game, you can actually win a brand new pair of sneakers in your size. Keep watching till the end. Mechanics there. I will now get ready. I will shower. And I'm excited to go on a road trip. And for our sneakers of the day, we'll be going with this one. This is the SAUCONY Azura. Ganda! Simple lang, oh. Black and silver and gray and white. Unassuming but comfortable AF and just classic and timeless. Let's go with this one. Dusty! Dusty, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog, Dusty. Hello! Hello, vlog. That is our cute cat, Dusty. And this is his cat condo. So cute! Ginugulo natin siya. Woo! I forgot to mention, I'm also sending this watch out. I'm giving this to one of my employees. He's the guy, he's the creative director right now for Project 721, which is the merch brand of this YouTube channel. By the way, check it out, 721.co. We have shirts, we have masks. Sean, this is heading over to you, man. I hope you enjoy it. I know you like G-Shock, so this one goes to you. Thank you for working so hard. Appreciate you. Appreciate everything that you do. Let this be a reminder for you to keep on hustling, keep on working hard. Boom. So we are, nagahit ako. But anyway, so this is the Chery Tiggo 8. So it sells for like 1.3 million pesos, and it's one of those crossover SUV types of cars that's still built to still have sporty vibes and a sporty look. I have it in the red color, which makes it very striking, and it stands out pretty well, especially if you're on the road. But if you take a look at the interior though, the almost all digital like display and controls and the panels and the finish is really awesome. In fact, I'll show you something quickly. So this is where you control the radio and the entertainment system, all digital. Even dashboard over here is all digital. They even have like LED lights for ambient, I don't know, lighting and mood that stretches across the entire dashboard. And this one actually changes depending on the music that you're listening to. So if you're listening to like upbeat music, it changes and it dances to the same, well, the light doesn't dance, but the light changes colors and it pulses. So you have the rest of the controls over here. You can switch modes to sport mode or to eco mode. There is like a knob that you just press if you want to put it on park. No need for like the typical handbrake. Digital controls, and these almost like retro knobs to control. I think it's a great combination of tangible physical touch controls and then that nice digital display. You also have this sunroof, which I think stretches all the way back, so all the way there, so you can actually share it to the people at your back if you want to do that. So at this point, we'll take it for a ride. I'm actually with the lovely Mrs. and our penguins. Oh, di ba? Na may face shield. Buti pa penguin namin, may face shield. Okay, so we'll go out to SLEX, probably drop by one of the shops. Again, guys, stay until the very end. I am going to announce a really nice giveaway where you can win a SAUCONY sneaker in your size. So keep watching. At the very end, I'll announce the mechanics. Guys, so we've been driving for a little over an hour now. So we're here at the Nike factory store somewhere in Santa Rosa. Okay ka naman, babe. Hi. So the original plan was to go inside and to check if there are any good deals while we were doing this drive-through road trip. But the issue is I think there is a pretty long line and I don't want to risk it, diba? Kasi while we need to do this video to try the car out and the original plan was to check the outlet store, seeing long lines just makes me uncomfortable. So next time na lang tayo next time na lang tayo titingin sa outlet muna, no babe? Yep. Is that a wise decision? Yep. So ganun din, if you guys are thinking of buying shoes, lagi nyo tatandaan, sapatos lang yan. If you feel uncomfortable, if you feel unsafe, it's better to take a rain check. But I'm sure naman pag medyo konting tao or when times are safer, babawi na lang ako sa Nike outlet store. So I will keep driving. I'm not sure where we'll end up. We'll continue on the road trip, and then I'll share with you guys the driving experience on this Chery Tiggo 8 car. I just want to share with you guys the driving experience on the Chery Tiggo 8. So may dalawa lang ako observations na cons, tas the rest are pros. So yung main issues ko sa kanya, hindi swabe if it's in the first gear. Automatic to pero yung pag nagsisimula ka pa lang, ewan ko lang bakit, but I'm finding it hard to find the right balance and stepping on the gas and on the brake. Parang minsan gumaganon-ganon yung car, which is kind of annoying. So that's like one of my main issues with it. I don't get that issue, for example, with my main ride, with my main car, which is the Subaru Forester. So yun yung actually yun lang talaga yung pinaka nakakabuisit eh. But everything else is just pretty smooth. For example, if it's a long drive and you're driving at like 40, 50, 60 onwards, it's actually very smooth and it handles very well, exceptionally good. So kaya masarap siya pang long drive. Pero na-imagine ko na, for example, if it's like the typical city traffic and you're always stuck within the first to second gear, again, it is automatic but yung pagtimpla niya, parang for some reason, marunong naman ako mag-drive, ang tagal ko na nag-drive, nakakaasar lang na hindi as parang intuitive yung pagtimpla. So yun yung una kong concern. The second concern is there is a metal chrome thing here, dito sa may baba, sa gilid ko. So pag malakas yung araw, the light actually bounces off and reflects and it can sometimes hit you in the eye depending on the angle that you're seated. So I just have to adjust or takpan nyo na lang ng tuwalya yon. Yun yung second con. So apart from that, it's a really good car. It handles very well. The interiors are amazing. The digital features and display, the camera that's on the dashboard is very helpful as well. So yun ang aking general observations about the Chery Tiggo. And obviously, again, I'm not a car reviewer. I'm not a supercar expert. This is me just sharing with you guys my experience with the car. So maraming salamat to Chery Philippines for lending the car. This has been a completely unbiased review. They didn't pay me for it. They just lent the car for a couple of days so I can test it and share with you guys my observations. If you guys want one, book a test drive. I'll put a link down below where you can do that para ma-feel nyo talaga, kasi iba pa rin yung kayo mismo yung nasa Manibela and you're the ones trying it, okay? So I'll see you guys in a bit with our mechanics for the SAUCONY Sneaker Azura giveaway. Boom! So to those wondering saan kami umabot, yeah, we're in Tagaytay. Bam! So guys, the mechanics for the giveaway for the SAUCONY Sneaker is very straightforward and very simple. You have to subscribe to my channel. You have to follow me on Instagram. You have to follow SAUCONY Philippines on Instagram. So I'll put the links down below, and then you just have to comment down below what it is that you like about this vlog or what you like about SAUCONY shoes. So I will draw the winner in a week, and whoever wins, I'll find out what your size is, and we'll send you a SAUCONY Azura shoe in your size if you win. Good luck, peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.